5-minute installation video. How to install a 7-linked shower room. 1. Check the accessories and the installation tools. Confirm the product information and the anti-counterfeiting mark. Do an open package inspection. Check whether all the accessories are available. Protect the glass in the open package inspection. Prepare the installation tools. 2. Install the shower base. Have the shower base installed in the installation location of the shower room and adjust its levelness. Before installation, please read the installation manual carefully. 3. Install the frame. Put the lower guide rail onto the shower base. Insert the wall-mounted aluminum bar into 2 ends of the lower guide rail. Use a spirit level to adjust verticality of the wall-mounted aluminum bar. Use the marker to mark the 6 holes of the wall-mounted aluminum bar. Drill holes in the marked positions. Install the expansion wall plugs. Tighten the frame screws. Insert the guide rail aluminum accessory into the wall-mounted aluminum bar. 4. Install the movable glass. Install the upper pulley of the driving glass. Have the upper pulley of the driving glass hung into the groove in the guide rail. Check whether the driving glass can move smoothly. Have the upper pulley of the driven glass hung into the groove out of the guide rail. Check whether the driven glass can move smoothly. Install the lower pulley of the driven glass. Install the lower pulley of the movable glass. Make the linkage assembly align with the small groove on the movable glass. Insert the linkage assembly into the small groove on the movable glass. Lock the screws. Test linkage effect of the linked glass. Push the 2 pieces of movable glass to the opening positions. Adjust the stop blocks for opening and closing limiting. Five. Install the fixed glass. Install the sealing strip of the lower guide. Install the handle. Install screws on the handle base. Make bottom of the cavity of the metallic shell level with bottoms of the screws on the glass. Mount the handle. Dismount the screws and then lock them into bottoms of the handle. Mount the 6 sealing strips. Adjust the stop blocks again. Adjust the right stop block of the driving glass first. Then, adjust the upper stop block of the driven glass. Finally, adjust the lower stop block of the driven glass. Lock the stop blocks. Test the stop blocks. 6. Inspect and debug. Test pushing, pull and noise of the linked glass. Apply lubricant. Finally, apply silicone sealant.